Hello and welcome to this session brought to you by the Academy of Practical Accounts in conjunction with your institution. The objective of this session is to have a closer look at income, expenses, and equity schedules. Now let's have a list of these schedules. We've got schedules starting from section F. We're going to look at F. We're looking at G, and then we're looking at equity schedules in the T section. Have a brief look at those on our device. So we're going straight to the mini year-end reports checklist, and we go to F1. Now these are turnover accounts. Okay, originally it's supposed to be the F2, but this is the mini report, mini business. So we're having it as F1. So basically these are turnover accounts. Now this one stretches from opening balances up to year-end adjustments, and the balance on this account should agree with both what is on the final trial balance on C3, final trial balance, and then it should also agree with B4, which is the notes to financial statements. Okay, so that is the objective of this report, to support this figure that appears on C3 and B4. Supposed to be detailed. Okay, so that is the income schedule. And remember, because this is the simplified format, we are not looking at all the reports, just a few of them. Now let's go back to our mini checklist. Now the mini checklist, this is a mini checklist. We're now going to report G3, which is for all the expenses. Apparently all of them are recorded on account 25. So it also starts from opening balances to year-end adjustments. Now these 1500, let me see. This one was a year-end adjustment. This was a year-end adjustment. Okay, and then if we had opening balances, they would be displayed here. So what we see here should agree with what appears on C3, final trial balance, and B4, notes to financial statements. So it supports those figures on those reports. Let's go back to our mini checklist, and then we are proceeding to equity schedules. Equity section, this is the T section. We're going to look briefly at the capital accounts, look at the tax on profit, and the drawings accounts. Now these are also supposed to be complete accounts. Remember, the general ledger is on a monthly basis. It's on a monthly basis, but then this is also a general ledger account, but on an annual basis. So we've got the capital brought forward and capital added. And that's all for these two. That's all for these two reports. Now let's go back. And then finally, let's see what there is. We've got tax accounts on T2. Remember, they should agree with what we have on C3 and B4. C3 and B4. You can verify if you, after you have recorded, you can verify that as well. Okay, let's go back to our mini checklist and look at the other T reports. This is the tax on profit. This is the we've just looked at this. Yeah, we've just looked at this. We're looking at the final one, which is the drawings accounts. Let's see which drawings accounts there is. There is only one drawings account. That's account 286, and it shows the 12,000 that was taken for personal use. Well, that brings us to the end of this session, where we looked at income, expenses, and equity schedules. We basically wanted to have a closer look at them. In case of any questions, please send us an email or find us on Skype or WhatsApp. Thank you.